One thing that we've learned for sure is that a pig in this pen by themselves, they're way more destructive when we had two in here. So Nugget here decided to tear her food trough up, and we need to build her another one because we got a lot of scraps to feed her. So I'm Steven, and welcome to Oak Haven Homestead. The design for our food trough for Nugget is very, very simple. It is a standard V-style trough that we're just going to take these two boards, we're going to screw them together like so, and then we'll put end caps on them that hold it in a standard V shape this way, so you can see that. Now, if you notice, this side is going to be higher than the front side. As hogs like to root up when they eat, we want to just try to reduce as much of the waste as possible. So we want to screw this together. We will have to cut the boards for the ends, and we'll put it in the pen. So let's get to work. All right, so we got our V, the center portion of our trough put together. Now it is 2 feet wide, so yep, 24 inches. I actually have another piece here of from the same scrap pile that we ended up being the same length. So we're gonna mark it and cut it in half to use for our end caps. Now you notice this lumber is not treated. We don't want to use treated lumber because we don't want to leach any of the chemicals that are used in that treated lumber and what we feed to the pigs. So when they put that food in here, we don't want it leaching any of those chemicals. So we use just standard pond, non-treated lumber for this. So I'm gonna go cut these pieces here for the end cap, and then we'll come back and we'll put them on. I didn't realize that my phone had cut off while we were putting these end caps on, so sorry about that. But this is it, simple little feed trough that we use for food scraps for our hog in their pen. Untreated wood, very simple design. This is 2 foot wide. Now we only put food scraps in this. We don't put our feed. You've seen in the first part of the video, in the background there, our automatic feeder that we have built where our 4-in-1, give them free choice access to it. So this is strictly for the milk that we'll pour in and for the food scraps that we feed our hogs. So let's go get this installed into the pen. Okay, so we got this in here in the pen. Now we're actually gonna fasten this to the side of our automatic feeder. That way it gives them room to get to their water over here. So what we're gonna do is, we got a bracket here. Get my screws out. All right, now this side of the automatic feeder is not accessible by the pigs. So we're just gonna secure this trough to the side. Now, there's a 2x2 that runs down on the inside of this, what we're putting that on. So what we'll do to tighten this up is I'm actually gonna put this bracket here. And then I'm gonna put one in the bottom for the same reason. Because I have a 2x2 that runs across the bottom here. So that's it. That's our simple food trough setup that we have here for our hog pen. Now we just got to go get some food scraps to put in here for her to eat. So thanks for checking us out. We hope you like it. Until next time.